going on? Koozie F30 here. I messed up. I left my tripod at my uncle's house, so this is gonna be really hard to film this brake upgrade. I have this lens for the camera, but oh yeah, I think I'm gonna run the lens. Brings it out a bit.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, we lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
I just spent the last like 10-15 minutes on one bolt, thinking this was way too weak to get it. First fucking try. Nothing, no effort.
Now we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, we lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. I wonder what went wrong today, Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember.
Okay, it's childish, can't be no homegirl, drop it like the NASDAQ. Move white girls like the
Weird, right?
of my ass crack.
Knows someone's trying to finesse.
I'll do either. I love pussy, I love bitches, dude. I should be running Peter in Adidas with some short. B-O-O all over me. My green is where it's supposed to be. Your green is in my grocery. This Asian dude, I stole his girl, and now he got that Coachy beef. My dick is like an accent mark. It's all about the overeat. Hot like a parked car. I sound weird like nigga with a hard R. Fly like the logo on my cousin's 440. Eating made the beat retarded, so I'm calling it a slow jam.
We're gonna redo this. We're gonna tape off just the Infinity logo and then hit it with black so that back here, right here, and these two corners stay black, and back here is in the center right here, and then the Infinity logo will just pop out, and then possibly hit the little chrome down there, but I don't know how we're gonna do that because it don't come out too easy. This bitch stops, bro. Those pads are not even the pads, just everything. The pads and the rotors, crazy. I'll end up putting a link down in the description for the rotors and pads I picked up for if you have an F30 that's not the msport brakes, just the stock, regular, smaller rotors and pads, and the whole smaller ass caliper as is. It wasn't that expensive. I mean, it kind of was. It was like $300 something, but for how good they are, I mean, it's worth it. They're more than twice as good as like the stock brakes. Like it was worth it, 100% worth it. Now, my only problem is the front rotors are a different brand than the rear rotors, and the top hat of the front rotors are black and the rear is all like this like shiny ass silver. I mean, I don't really care. I'm not worried about it. And drilled and slotted is drilled and slotted to me. It's just whatever like I had a deal on, I guess. Well, these are more expensive than what I paid for those, for the rears, but I don't know. It doesn't bother me. I got yellow brakes, I got wheels now, I got drilled and slotted all the way around. It's weird because the front they got 2 rows of drilled and then 1 slotted, and then 2 drilled, 1 slotted, but then the rear is just drilled, slot. But the rear rotor is also a lot smaller. I still haven't fixed this light. Oh, I would have used that. I thought this was broken. Well, in the next video, I'll have better lighting. Sorry about that. I'm gonna cut it off here. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Peace out.